Really, this is the most friendly town you're ever going to see in America.
I want them to feel like they're coming to a dinner party at our house. That sense of like, you're fully welcome. It's going to be special. It's going to be just for you, that you can drop your shoulders and relax because you're with friends.
You know, what we're trying to do is tell the story of all that's great about this amazing region, the maritime influence, the winemaking, the agriculture.
The chef is always thinking about change and pushing and constantly moving forward, not being stagnant. When you do this and you love what you do, you just have to remember why you love it.
I mean, the beach is 6 blocks away. The air is some of the cleanest air in America. And this little shopping zone down here with the art galleries, the jewelry stores, now the 20 wine tasting rooms, extraordinary restaurants to choose from.
And you know, you can walk out, especially in the spring, and you can just pick little greens and forage for herbs and stuff all within 15 minutes of walking just right out the front door.
Walk from place to place, stop into as many little shops and tasting rooms. Everyone knows each other, so everyone is very connected. Make sure you don't miss a sunset.